Hello everyone, I'm Saranya, working as a assistant professor from SNS College of Technology. Today we are discuss about in Jira in Agile Software Engineering. In this previous video, we are discuss about in what is Jira and what are the types of Jira and how to work in Jira in progress. Then now in this video we are discuss about in Jira concept into the project issues and subtask. They are used in the four level of the Jira concept. The first one is an project categories and second one is an project component and versions, and third one is an issues and issues types, and level 4 is an subtask process. And then first of all we are discuss about in the four main sections of the in Jira concept. The first one is in roadmap, and second one is in backlog, and second one is a board, and fourth one is in code. The roadmap is an action plan for the how our project will evolve, and then backlog is an it's usually used in the issues describing the what your team will be doing on this project, and board is it shows in the work to be done and work in progress and work done. That means to do work in progress and work done process. And final one is in code. In this we can create the automated in DevOps workflow and minimize on the context switching between the uh, Jira software and Bitbucket or GitHub, GitLab and other source code management tools. And then generally we are the project has been divided into the epics, and one epic can contain the multiple of a sprint. Then each sprint has multiple issues like in the user stories. A sprint is a fixed period of the fixed period in the development cycle where the project team completes work from the product backlog. First of all, the sprint is it can the project to project in the single project, and then the duration of the each sprint should be in the same. That means the project can be variant. The sprint is the divided into the separate part of the in this process. And then Jira is user stories or the consist the representations of the system and evaluate the capabilities and written by the people to who need into the functionality. And then in this previous video I told us that Scrum and Kanban in the Jira process management. In this video we are discussed in what is Jira, Scrum and Kanban. Then how to compare in this process. The Kanban is a lean project management, and Scrum is in software development. The Kanban is usually visuals to improve the work in progress, and then Scrum is the learn to through the experience and self-organize and priorities reflect on the wins and loss and continues the improve. And then sequence event of Kanban is the continuous flow. Okay, and then Scrum is a regular and fixed length sprint into the sequence of event in the even it is used in the project is divided into the weeks of the project. And practices is of Kanban is visualize workflow and limit in work in progress and control flows and incorporate feedback loops. And Scrum is a sprint planning and sprint daily Scrum, sprint review and sprint retrospective. And roles of Kanban is the Kanban in no requirements of roles. And Scrum is a product owner, Scrum master, and then development team are used in the Scrum master process. And uh, issues types of the Jira scheme. It is used in the notification scheme, issue type scheme, and permission scheme and issue security scheme. They are used in the issue process. And the issue type scheme is the what issue and then what type of issues can be used in the Jira project. That means bugs or features. And then the notification scheme is the who to receive then what an email when the content of the issues is changes. And permission scheme is the who can do what do and issues. And issue security scheme is nothing but who can see the specific issues in